Fable 5 is officially back. And if you haven't been following, Fable 5 is Anthropic's latest model. It's its most powerful model. And just recently we lost it for just over a week because the US government actually banned it for being so powerful. But it is back in the hands of the average everyday consumer right now for a limited time because it is going to be moved onto their paid token-based plans. So you're not going to get it on just your regular everyday plan. Even if you're on the max subscription like I am, you are going to lose it very soon. Now, I will follow this by saying that it has been extended twice now. So we have got it for an extra couple of weeks. But as of making this video, we have about a week left of it. So here are 5 things that you guys should be doing before Fable 5 is possibly taken away from us. And just a quick thing if you're new here, I build and show you guys different AI automations and skills that you can use to make your life a whole lot easier with the idea to buy back at least 20 hours per week for the average solo operator. I'm actively using all of these automations to grow my own e-com brands and sell online using the leverage of AI. So I'm here to show you guys how you can do the same. Alrighty, let's get into it. The first thing I would be building with Fable 5 is a website, if not multiple. Fable 5 has shown that it is the most powerful model so far, even when it comes to creative design through the use of Claude Design, which we'll get into a little bit later, and combining that with Fable's decision-making and research capabilities. I've just completely rebuilt 2 new websites for 2 different e-com brands, and I have to say the results speak for themselves. This is very good, and when you compare what the results were from Opus 4.8, this is insane, and it just comes in so much better. Not only that, but I just recently built out my new website for my own personal brand and UGC as well. So for brands reaching out to me wanting brand deals and wanting to see some of my recent work, I simply have a page where that can all be accessed for them. And I have to say it's a lot better than my last website, and this thing spun it up with virtually 1 prompt. In fact, I don't actually think I made any edits to it. It literally went to my Instagram page, downloaded all of my videos, found my best performing reels, found which reels were brand deals and which weren't. They added them all to my website. It worked out which brands I had worked with. The second thing I would be using Fable 5 for, which is secondary to step number 1, is using it to build out Shopify themes. So not only will this model develop crazy websites, it will also develop Shopify themes that can be installed directly into Shopify with no edits on your end. Combined with the fact that Claude can now control your browser, you can actually have Claude make any edits needed to the HTML files contained inside the Shopify theme. So it just reduces any kind of extra handling that you need to do yourself. And it's definitely something that I would be doing before we lose Fable 5. I know from experience that the websites 4.8 was spitting out was just nowhere near what Fable 5 is capable of. The next thing I would be doing is using Fable 5 to clone your competitors' ads and rework them in your own brand imagery and voice. I've built out a tool and a skill that can do this for you guys. It is free inside of my school community, which is another good place to learn all of these automations in a little more depth. I have breakdowns on every single automation that I test in public on my Instagram page and here on YouTube. So if you're interested in that, just click down below. Prices are going up soon. And for the amount of value in there, I have to say it's a no-brainer. I don't even need to sell it to you. Anyway, the way this tool works is it actually accesses Facebook's MCP and it uses their ad library to research your competitors' ads, find their best performing ads, downloads the ads, reworks them using Higgsfield in your brand voice, and relaunches them through Facebook MCPs again. So you don't need to do anything. You can quite literally clone everything that's working for another brand that is similar to yours, rework it in your brand voice and imagery, and have it uploaded as a fresh campaign, all done for you inside of Claude with this skill. It's just insane. It cuts down the time to actually relaunch and test ads to virtually nothing, and it can be done with just a couple of words. The next thing I would be doing is using Claude Design to develop your own personal brand or brand imagery and ideas. So the way this works is Claude's new design system. So Claude's new design system can take virtually any reference images and ideas that you pass onto it and develop that into a new design system, which means you're going to get consistent imagery every time you prompt it. So let's just say I'm coming up with a new Instagram carousel for my Instagram page. I simply need to tell it what kind of content I want on the carousel. I don't need to give it any idea as to what the carousel should look like because it already has my design system imprinted in its memory, and it's going to give me consistent results every single time. And the way this works a little bit better right now with Fable 5 is that you actually use Fable 5 to build out the initial prompt and files required to build out that design system. I also have a full breakdown on this inside of my community, so check that out. And the last thing I would be doing for anyone that is advertising online, which we did speak about a little bit earlier, is connecting Fable 5 directly into your Meta Ads account. This gives Claude a full overview of everything you're doing in terms of paid advertising and paid acquisition on Facebook. And it's going to tell you exactly what's working and what's not working without you looking into it at all. You can scan every single ad campaign, every single ad set, every single ad creative in virtually 30 seconds and have it tell you exactly what's working and what's not so that you can rework in future. Not only that, but Fable 5 will relaunch campaigns for you. It will design new ad creatives dependent on what is actually needed. So you can waste less time developing new ad sets and coming up with new ideas for creatives, inputting, duplicating campaigns, duplicating ad sets. You don't need to do it anymore because Claude will do the entire thing for you. So the next thing I would be doing is connecting to Facebook's MCP so you can have your ad account taken care of by Claude. So that's 5 of the things I would be doing before we lose access to Fable 5. And there is a million more that I would want to cram in the next week, but it's going to be very difficult to do that. So pick a few of these, make sure you take care of them. And if you need breakdowns on how to do this step by step, everything is down below in my school community, and I hope to see you guys in there.